So let's see what you come up with here.
COVID-19 presented us with numerous challenges.
I was in a lesson with one of my teachers. They tried to count off a song and there was lag. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So every time they were counting off the song, I wasn't playing in time with their snaps. And it took us a solid 5 minutes before we realized, okay, we have to go in a different direction with this.
We came up with a lot of really creative solutions to our conditions. For example, the recital is a typical part of many of our students' experience, so we decided to convert our recitals into recording projects. We hired a Trio Kate, which is comprised of 2 alumni that we knew would be able to play at a world-class level in a recording, would be able to work with students and guide them through the process and help them with the production of their tracks.
The guitar student has to write all the songs, write all of the charts out, record demos for all of their songs, and then send them to all the other musicians that would be in the band on the recital. And the truth is, that's really how it is in the real world.
A lot of music professionals have studios, as I have in my home here, where we work and record individually.
Remote recording isn't new, and it's certainly not going away. And so being able to work with other musicians and producers in this way is really an important skill to understand.
It's not like the 60s with this room full of musicians and we're all there like hanging out, like making music together at the same time in the same room. A lot of it happens like piecemeal. The guitar player would send their track only to the drummer, and then the drummer records his drum part and sends it back, and then that guy puts it together and then sends it over to the bass player. Through the magic of technology, it in the end sounds like we're just there playing together at the same time, which is pretty neat. You really need to learn how to engineer yourself, learn how microphones work, learn how recording software works. There's so many things that go into it.
This online education greatly helped my career. I have the tools now going forward to help improve my mixes, my remote tracking. The day of graduation, I got a phone call and he said, "Hey, I need some guitars and bass recorded. Will you do this for me?" I recorded from my bedroom in Hollywood with the Budapest Orchestra for a Korean TV show. If you asked me to do that 3 months ago, I would be stressing and I'd be calling a lot of people and be like, what do I do? And now it was like, okay, I can bust it out, no problem.
Those who are able to be flexible and see possibilities and opportunities rather than restrictions and obstacles will find interesting and creative paths forward.